Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Bank of Jamaica has decided to move the policy interest rate to 1.5%. This is the rate offered to deposit-taking institutions on overnight placements with the BOJ. Now, the policy interest rate has been held at 0.5% since August 2019. The decision was based on the Monetary Policy Committee's assessment that the recent increases in international commodity prices and shipping costs have had a stronger than expected pass-through to local prices. Now, the BOJ will provide details on the decision at a press briefing tomorrow. The economy grew by 14.7% for the April to June 2021 quarter. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is reporting an upward revision from the 12.9% preliminary estimate given by the Planning Institute of Jamaica a few weeks ago. Now, Statin says the growth was driven by increased productivity in the services and goods producing industries. The base of improvement is, however, low, as the same period in 2020 saw a decline in gross domestic product by 18.4%. This was directly linked to COVID-19 containment measures. Leading the growth was the tourism industry, with a 334% improvement compared to the April to June period last year. In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for an average $147.24. The Canadian currency is trading at $117.66. $202.93 is the going rate for the pound, and $174.98 for the euro. The gaming arm of Supreme Ventures, Prime Sports Jamaica, and cigarette company Carreras yesterday entered an agreement aimed at expanding sales. The deal involves Supreme Ventures merchants selling Carreras products and vice versa. CEO of Prime Sports Jamaica, Jesus Johnston, says the partnership also involves the allocation of funds to build out new channels.
I know on the capital investment side, is easily upwards of $600,000 being invested. And that's in our special kiosks that we want to roll out with Carreras. So you would have seen in other countries in Europe, in Central America, where you have these very nice kiosks that people are able to sell from, and there we have cigarettes, lottery tickets, top up, which is another product which will be sold. So we have that capital investment to start. That money has already been put in the ground, and we expect to begin rolling out the first kiosks by November, December.
Meanwhile, Managing Director of Carreras, Raul Glenn, says the partnership will result in more merchants being added to the network.
So on our side is easily 6,000 in the short term that we're going to be adding to the existing network of Supreme Ventures. And our expansion plans as it relates to some of the inner cities is another 1,500 over the course of the next 18 months. So this is on top of what is already in Supreme Ventures network.
The JSE index advanced by 3,991 points today, while the junior market index gained 39 points. Advancing were Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Productive Business Solutions PBS ordinary US dollar shares, CAC 2000, Paramount Trading Jamaica, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. On the losing side were Palace Amusement, Access Financial Services, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Express Catering, and JMB Group 7.5% shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news right after the break.